Hello beautiful people, Arif Oria here from Oria Driving Academy, and today I will be showing you how to perform a three-point turn, and we can do this together. Let's do it. Three-point turn. How do we do a three-point turn? Why are we doing it? So we need to know why we're doing it. Second, where we can do it, where we cannot do it. Third, how we're doing it. So first of all, we need to know why we are doing a three-point turn and why is it called a three-point turn. So why is this name chosen for this? So there is a U-turn and there is a three-point turn. The difference, basically both of them are used for the same purpose. So the purpose is to change direction. So if I'm going this way and for any reason I have to change direction, I either do a U-turn or a three-point turn. So one of them I perform. So now, what is the difference between a U-turn and a three-point turn? A U-turn is usually done on a road where we have enough room to turn the wheels all the way to the left and we have enough room to go in one go. So that's a U-turn. But on small streets in residential areas, we have to perform a three-point turn because we do not have enough room to go in one go. So you will have to reverse back and adjust yourself and then move back. So that's why we do a three-point turn in small streets. Now, before performing a three-point turn or a U-turn, the first thing you should do is scan the area for legal restrictions. Always scan the area for legal restrictions. If you are legally allowed to perform a three-point turn here or not. So first of all, a three-point turn, we cannot do it in the middle of an intersection, unlike U-turn. So in large intersections where allowed, we can perform a U-turn, but three-point turn, we cannot do it where there's an all-way stop sign or one-way stop sign. Let's not do it there. It's not safe because we are blocking the entire road, so it's not a good idea to perform a three-point turn there. Second, we cannot do a three-point turn where we cannot see 150 meters front and 150 meters back. We have to have about 150 meters back and front clear vision, because maybe there's a car coming from the other side and they're at 40 or 50 kilometer speed. They need to have enough space, enough distance to see us because we're blocking the entire road. So we cannot do it if we cannot see 150 meters front and 150 meters back. Next thing, we cannot do a three-point turn in front of, like at the entrances of public places like school, hospital, library, mosques, in those places where there's a lot of public, because there are a lot of maneuvers in a three-point turn. So I don't think if it would be a good idea to do a three-point turn in that area. Another place that we cannot do a three-point turn is a one-way street, of course. So we cannot do a three-point turn on a one-way street because the traffic goes only on one direction. So these are the legal restrictions. In a lot of streets, they have the no U-turn sign there. And obviously when there is that sign there, we are not supposed to do a three-point turn. So those are the legal restrictions that you have to check before you perform the three-point turns. Once you do that, you scan the area and then we perform the three-point turn. But why are we learning this? We're learning it because, number one, as a driver, we all need to know how to do a three-point turn. And we do it for different purposes. Maybe I'm lost, I missed the address. Maybe the road ahead is blocked. Maybe, you know, for whatever reason, I forgot something. I don't want to go through all the streets and I just want to make a shortcut and do a three-point turn and go back, get what I need. So those are the purposes we are doing a three-point turn for. Now, to perform the three-point turn, we will do it together and I will explain each step for you so that we can do and perform. And also, very important that this is part of your road test G2, and this is a must. In every single G2 road test, the examiner will ask you to perform a three-point turn because they want to see your skills, if you can perform this or not, or how much you're observing your area when you're performing a three-point turn. Very important point. So let's do it together and see how we perform a three-point turn. So for three-point turn, the same thing like what we did for uphill and downhill parking, about 3 houses or 5 seconds before. So always please make sure that you're checking your rear view mirror first, make sure we have a safe distance. Then we signal to the right, we check our blind spot to the right, and then when it's safe, we pull over to a proper location and we're stopping beside a curb and you're coming to a complete stop here. We should be about 1 foot away from the curb. Make sure, this is very important. A lot of people, they do the 3-point turn while they're still moving. But this is one of the most important thing, that you come to a complete stop. Once you come to a complete stop, again, you will have to start from your rear view mirror. We look behind, make sure there's no car, no bicycle or scooters are coming, and then you do signal to the left. And once you do the signal to the left, make sure you're checking left blind spot. You look ahead, make sure no vehicles are coming, and then we turn the wheels all the way to the left, and we go straight all the way until our left side mirror is on top of the curb, like above the curb. That's how far you go, and do not go too far, because then you're gonna hit the curb. Hitting the curb is a fail on the test. Please make sure that you're not hitting the curb. And once you reach there, then the first thing you do is you put your car in reverse. So once you put your car in reverse, you signal to the right. Make sure you do a 360 degrees check here. Very important. This is what the examiners are looking for, if you're actually doing a good observation or not. So once you do that, check all around, make sure nothing is there, and then you turn the wheels all the way and you move back. You go back until your left side mirror is in the middle of the road, and then you come to a complete stop again. Again, the first thing you do is change the gear to drive. Look right, left, signal to the left, turn your wheels to the left, and then you go. This is a complete 3-point turn for you guys.